orchestrated. There is no religious tension, no religious conflict, no war, nothing. This is all a political move by elements of the NDC. That's what we suspect. Yes. Let me read something to you. Now, I'm being very honest, and I expect the MPP to take this issue up seriously.
I thought we were just religious.
Let me
something
talk.
That is happening.
Yeah, but so me come answer.
Me too.
Papa na obo obi asumo supposedly. It's all staged, by the way. Per my own analysis. That's my opinion.
Osofo no.
Okay. Papa na yesi a friend no. Alaji Papa Angola. That's his name. It's being alleged. So, a member of the Hajj board and an NDC man, of course. You see, I'm out for see Jimmy Ewokromuha. Yeah, Jimmy. For 100 years or so, Christians and Muslims have coexisted until we had a Muslim flag bearer and they want to play because some folks say, yeah, Jimmy Ewokromuha, until they can play with our minds. CJ, before I even get into this particular man's this allegation, Mami Misa, and the police, the IGP needs to speak to this issue ASAP. If they don't, we will confirm our suspicions. You see, what who say ye de handcuff egu binsa ni ye jaino na police ni bia ni ho da. When was the last time who be bisa? Have you seen anything like that before? Does it make sense to you? Say police de handcuff ebegu binsa na police ni bia ni ho na osofo bi, in this case osofo na imam so say some Muslims miensa ejina nachi ada o me police call see a Jimmy Ewokromuha and may catch her. I'm warning everybody who is involved with this nonsense. Say they need to be very careful because you Jimmy Ewokromuha. What kind of nonsense is this? Police need bena why in the day handcuff ni gun inside. They need to explain to us immediately. And I no Emma conveniently Muslim for me and Sunday Jananechi. Emma Bako Crab as well Bonasum. And it's being alleged here that the man works for the Hajj board and your friend Papa Angola. This is from online. It's online from Prosper Bani's Prosper Nate's page as we speak. But this is the word that's going around. There are so many people since the last few days who are alleging a conspiracy to create religious tension that doesn't exist. Now, why Ghana for money deep? They are coexisting for 100 years. When was the last time they say Muslim be kasi yunku Christians will kroma? What be? What be that? See a Jimmy Wahoo. Yemra Ewokromuha allows for religious freedom, meboa.
Yeah.
So whatever any other religion will say, Bible, there are places where you can sacrifice a human being, meboa. Isn't that in the Bible? Have you seen anybody going out and telling people say Tisenia Abraham or young sacrifice and name room? What be that? Have you heard any software preacher say sacrifice? You can't do that because our laws, we're a secular state and our laws doesn't allow everything. It may be in the Bible, it may be in the Quran, it may be wherever. So but you can't go and preach anything contrary to our laws. Until say you're sacrificing or there was an attempt to sacrifice a human being or Bible mua. Then no church will be to me yes I did. And have you heard any when was the last time what is was of will be preaching Ewokromuha or catch uncle for so ube to me I try so be or fat oba as a sacrifice to God. Yenti sa niyema be that for 100 years of coexistence. All of a sudden, there is so much attention on NDC, and so people have to contrive and come up with stuff. And the police are sitting there. Police for Ukashi, they are becho. Why who say almost everybody who hasn't seen it? Yeah, chichichin crofo everywhere. Who can weigh with social media? And here is a case where someone, yeah, the handcuff agunensa. Okay? Police for supposedly a happen here. Police station, mebwa. Na police for jaini pano na obi atimi akobona sum, and then the way start going, they start sharing this thing, telling people say Muslims are attacking Christians.
Okay, but for your information, news just coming in because you are blaming the Ghana Police Service.
Sure.
And I'm reading from Ghana Police Service.
Please, they need to tell us.
Facebook page.
Yes.
And this was posted 27 minutes ago.
Okay.
Police launch manhunt for man captured assaulting suspect in viral video.
No problem.
The Ghana Police Service has commenced a manhunt for a man captured in a viral video assaulting a suspect. The service strongly condemns the incident and has intensified efforts to arrest the suspect and put him before the court. The circumstances surrounding the incident is also being investigated, and all persons found culpable will be taken through the due process of the law.
Yes.
And this is from the Ghana Police Service.
I was calling on the Ghana Police Service because they owe us a lot of answers. There is a lot of suspicion that a near my happen orchestrated. That's the suspicion out there. And I'm right to point it out. In fact, I'm even more right to call on the Ghana Police Service even more than this, because statement now why in a day handcuffs egu papa nensa ejano ho
they are investigating.
They don't know who put the handcuffs on him. Well, they think we're kids. Masa, enough of the orchestration. Yeah, in Kuntokobia and the Christians, Muslims, they are friends, we are together. All of a sudden, there is a Muslim presidential candidate. So let's use this for politics. That's the suspicion.
Really?
And we are right to believe that. I'm telling you, it's nonsensical.
Really?
Yes. And we will get to the bottom of every one of these. Obviously, who was suffer over his dead body, and I elected a Muslim. Owusu Bempah I sorted all MPP for Jimmy. What kind of nonsense is that? Millions of people did the attempt. How? Accra FM. A buffet some say. How dare him, and how dare all these people try to play games with us? They think we are joking in this country. They should keep on playing and we will see.
Please.
Please, no, Prince. But Prince. Why not me? I'm asking you, sir. Hold on. CJ, I'm saying, sir, how can the police release a statement and not tell us why they handcuff good and stop? Papa
that is what investigations are meant to
they don't know who
produce.
The police service doesn't know who put the handcuff on the guy and left him. They don't know this. What an insult to all of us. What this statement we are about to okay? We have brains in our head. I want to use even more French language than this.
Prince, calm down. You are getting too,
I'm telling you. No, hold on. I'm telling you, sir. How dare anybody? You put handcuffs on somebody and then leave him with people who clearly seem, if this is not staged, people who seem to be having a conflict of some sort. Now Ako attacking, and there's no police service, but there are cameras taking the video. Okay? Please, they should stop the nonsense and then come clean to with all of us.
No, Prince.
Yes, Abusia will be dear Ben Sia. ama papa yi ni bu afu sei abusua ensema wo ho no ni nyina ne se enna kakra yi a abetwa mu koyi sensa yewura Dr. Bawumia atwe ne ti se obeye okandifo edi ama MPP no a Christopher mpanyimfo bebre aba abonten a sabio in one way the other no omo showcase say they don't want Dr. Bawumia to lead this country na nipa odi mu kan pa ene papa ye fe no Owusu Bempah na Owusu Bempah ne de na kwakoye se ono no sese ne yehu se asori na oyewu se politics na oyewu se chacha na ode na asori ne tuo odwene ho a wonte ase ye papa Owusu Bempah enim de oyo Owusu Bempah osofo Owusu Bempah ote ho no onim de oyo ensema okogina platform so a oka ne nyina no oka no onim de oyo na se because enkrofo we no omoka bibia omo spiritual worms enye spiritual eye physical and e be create tension yenye nim se Owusu Bempah after say kokoto abasi kokko MPP from panyini a obedi animu a Dr. Bawumia we ne ye ehode na Owusu Bempah na niema say kura wadin tro adidi MPP for atem empre bebre aka de obeka bia wa promise say under his dead body ana MPP amanyoko betumi ayeden adin kunim ewo Ghana by especially said Dr. Bawumia and the leader of the party to become the president. Papa ne time na o time Dr. Bawumia no wa sha ase ene ne nkrofo no eye niema basabasa binom wo system no mu a omo pese omo mfa nkreti adeboni bi mfa Kristo muslimi som ho omo pese omo mfa kwan bi so na ensem bi no na sentokwa bi no ntumi mira mesi a Kristofo ene nkramofo ntam na yatumi ayusu di akase afeedie mpo na nkramofo ebeji omaya fai na se emomu be di president dia ene Ghana besise eya juma we na Owusu Bempah ne nkrofo ye na underground da ono dwene se by so doing no a Christopher ne nkramofo ye be ye ho ye be ka ye ho ye nte ye ho ase ye be ko Dr. Bawumia ye be linking to Muslims na sabi de be di ndisi anim ya linking to Christians enti ekoban sa a Christopher nyina be kwa abonte akwa akoto aba e de ama Christoni a sa Baumis obeye NDC candidate Owusu Bempah papa Owusu Bempah papa we eye nkontompo ni titiro pa media mekansi so because papa we ama promises ahodo wa promise different moments why a prophecy is a prophesy so wa prophesy different moments ama ni nyina ayeden ate atonsuo ma anya adwuma papa we na ejina ne nan so kan kire Ghana for se Mahama ntumi ma ye president biem ewo Ghana man papa we yo ono na kan kire Ghana for bere bi atwam se John Mahama ntumi ye president biem ewo Ghana man but 2024 ye hu ye no na ono no ye campaign de man John Mahama se omra medi Ghana man so Yankopon se owa ahobrase abusiamfo Owusu Bempah eye nipa bi a ordinafu na adwene ene ni nyan yenkan se de the smartness no ordinam enye nyame asem and Owusu Bempah kind of want to sorry them. Why Owusu Bempah fa so ya sorry this time? Say me am to way. Me am to way. Say me nim Kristo suma nkasa titrew. Na Kristo suma mahu ana Kristo suma mani atwa so. Any Owusu Bempah kwan ofa so a osom Nyankopɔn a na afei na me pɛ osoma kwa akosoma me nkɔ asɔre da because yes say and I assume Nyankopɔn. This time Owusu Bempah ne puppet na owo na asɔ dan mu hɔ no apa be dan political platform. Pachote mi yepa. This time Owusu Bempah baby ono tena baby Owusu Bempah e wo se nka onyina mbompaye no ene ho no aba be dane amanyo sem table table ho na ekotana de yabsem. Now, I don't know Owusu Bempah. I do a bit so, and this is a mabani team. Because Papa will know or to make a tan and need dear man for a time candy or pay the children nipo. But or time say nipa kind of wants them. O kind of wants a man I shall say now, see or beer. O shall say I know I shall say or becker so. O shall say I know she says, I wish I Mr. Papa will home. Papa will. Or yen nipa kete. He is not a God or Nyankopɔn nipa. Nyankopɔn nipa timi ko gina platform so asɔre fie efre nipa binom enkwasiafo. Na menim sɛ sans ɔsɔfo timi ko gina na asɔre fie wo ne domanim ekata na ni twa ntro. Wa wutie me. Wa wutie me. Adase wo Europe wo Africa man mu awia me na oti hoi se wo ne wadamfo bi nya asem wo dafo bi nya asem na wo sore fatuo e de koni fie na wanya na nkunu na ofra polisifo a mesere wo e de en na beto adase wo abrochire wo adase wo Ghana wo kwashi wo e koma se wo fatuo de ko bi fie ekotiatia mu so nsi mra fom obekum no na odma warning shoot wo wiem woni dom eba na wanya no na wokọ na otimi e report wo de oma polisifo a minya ba de ma de na beto ye becho atom ba bibia wo bia wo wiase we mo bia no ye becho atom na se no kresi yesi enipa bia ni wiase ewo man Ghana man mu a ne tumi eso sene emra ewo kuro no mu dia ene di ntia so Owusu Bempah kotwituo ko agrada ne fie so kwa akobɔ ne to a sojafo a na police ntumi nche no na se police kɔche na ene kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ amanyo ko bi na pɛsɛ onkum no papa wadi nkwasi asɛm wanyini babi wanyini duro asɛm bi sa mfataw babi wanyini duro Owusu Bempah you adem trotro asɛm bi sa na mfataw Owusu Bempah wo ebusuema nka be frɛ ofa wanyini wonya akora watwa 50 years ukura be 60 something wonya akora ketwa wontumi nsɔre mfatuo ne boys enko obi ɔso yɛ Nyankopɔn nipa na wafatuo di ko be fie na yɛkɔkyewa na wasan betena sɛ ɛyɛ aban bi na na pɛsɛ ngu ani mase na wade na wo kɔ na wodwene wo ho wodwene hu sɛ ade na nkɔ no emfa ha mra wa na enne ɛna me nkwase ade Owusu Bempah na ankasa kodiye ɔno ankasa ne nsa no nkwase adwuma nti akwakoda prison na waba ene ne puppet na ba bi ogina de ya asore no ɛhɔ aba be political podium a ɛhɔ na odidi MPP for atem. Mam Vivian Kuma mo akwa papa. Pacho tell me ye pa. So what do you kwa asem? One for bua ma wo ho. One nwene nkwa achiri. Ahu se sabio, wadru pempen so bi. Na ukodi nkwa asem ukoye de nkwada na eya. Awo se yemfa mra na ntwe waso te se de ye twe nkwada aso. Na wenne wenti watumi anya ahoden ejina wasɔre dan mu di atem efre MPP fo akwasiafo kan nsɛmfo about more than 6 million people na to abade man MPP e Ghana man. Na utumi kata wani ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ omu nyina omu yɛ kwasiafo. Abusia Owusu Bempah mon kan kyerɛ Owusu Bempah sɛ mon kam Owusu Bempah nte sɛ so onim owu a ɔhwɛ na mon kama ne nto Owusu Bempah na so mu sɛ ohu bibi da ɔhwɛ baduko bi mon kama ne nto Owusu Bempah na so panyan sɛ mon kama ne nte sɛ me sɛ ohu bibi da ɔhwɛ obinim so ohu bibi nso da ɔhwɛ kwanya prekuma dɔta fa so wuyɛ saa asɔfofo a mabɛbɔ ɔmo drin deɛ na ɔmo nyɛ yi saa asɔfofo a mabɛbɔ ɔmo drin deɛ bɛntumi na ɔmo nkyerɛ ne da bɛtɛnɛ Owusu Bempah bisa ho sɛ ɔmo wɔ hefa ɛna me no kasa Owusu Bempah yi wo ankasa wo nipa a yɛfrɛ ne baduko bi ɔno mpro ne yɛ NDC foɔ ɔmo sɔfoɔ ɔno de epodi ɔnte sɛ wo a wo de wokɔ ha na wo ba ha ɔno de ɔyɛ NDC foɔ sɔfoɔ kɛseɛ paa ɛnɛ ɛhefa na ɔda sisi a na wo Owusu Bempah na sɛ wo Owusu Bempah wotumi kɔ gyina asɔre dan mu ka nsɛm wɔ yɛ a wode yɛnti nsɛm Owusu Bempah kaeɛ
Owusu Bempah mo party no ngukura na nyamia na nyame na afrɛ me de ɔmo de yɛ me nti de me hyɛ ɔmo MPP saa 2028 no ɔmo pɛ baabi ntena me ka so bɛma nkɔfo bɛdi matem ɛno kura na mepɛ ɔmo di matem no na me sɛ ɔmo mo because 2028 me bɛ kɛse MPP fo nyinaa obi bia bɛto aba na MPP bia nyame no me bɛtena so ɔnkwa na nyinaa na
wahwɛ ɔsɔfo mu a obi a ɔso yɛ ɔsɔfo obi a wo se wo yɛ ɔsɔfo wɔ adwuma ne deɛ wɔyɛ papa sɔfo wɔ adwuma ne deɛ wɔyɛ asɔfodie ne deɛ wɔyɛ asɔfodie ne sɛ yɛnka Nyankopɔn n'asɛm ɛmfa nkyerɛ adasaman na adasaman nsesa wɔ n'adwene na wɔnyɛ deɛ sɛn deɛ fata sɛ de bɛyɛ ɔsoro ahenni ne ba a obetumi akɔ ɔsoro ahenni no Owusu Bempah MPP fo asɛm a ɔde gyina asɔre dan mu a wokan ɛno no etumi de obi ɛkɔ ɔsoro ahenni no mu ana wayera kwai papa wayera adwuma wɔ sɛ wonya ana adwuma Nyankopɔn de ama wa wɔse Nyankopɔn ne ba ne wo wow tio se Nyankopɔn ɛho nsra ɛwɔ wo so o se Nyankopɔn ɛnam wo so na yɛ awanwade yate wase yɛ judi wo yɛ Nyankopɔn ba sɛ deɛ wo kan dia ɛne wo nso adwuma ba ko pɛ na Nyankopɔn de ama wo ɛne sɛ kanya nyame na sɛm no fa kyerɛ adasa na adasa ɛntumi nye wɔn kra nkwa daakye na sɛ MPP asɛm a wodi akɔgyina on platform so a wodi akɔgyina w'asɔre dam a nkurɔfoɔ gu w'asɔre dam mu hɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛpɛ Nyankopɔn asɛm atie de akɔ ɔsoro ahenni mu a sɛ wogyina hɔ a wodidi MPP fo atam asɔre ma no bɛrɛ na ɔmo akɔ soro ahenni Owusu Bempah Nyankopɔn ɛbɛbisa wo saa nsɛm wei Nyankopɔn bɛbisa wo sɛ ɛbaa ne sɛn na memman ma ɛbaa wase sɛ ɔmo bɛpɛ nsɛmpa tie na wankan no ankyerɛ wɔn na mmom no wo kan kwase asɛm di gu won tim esanji won sika di ye ade to nku srasraye ade to change ahodo gu ko mu sa asɛm no Nyankopɔn bebisa Owusu Bempah ento Owusu Bempah MPP amanyoko na nguo because MPP amanyoko no ye more than 8 million Ghanaians wasɔre no na wɔsɔ ndwene ho yie pa Owusu mesele wasɔre no na wodi animu no ɛne na wɔsɔ ndwene ho ɛne na betumi agu ɛsɛ MPP begu MPP resist Rollins the military ruler ɛna wo Owusu Bempah a wasɔre ma mo yɛ sɛn 16,000 and 20,000 wo na betumi agu MPP amanyoko papa na washa ase no monsa na ana so de ho kobo mahama se de tie bia na wo so no monsa papa edi nim so de wafu na nam edi nim se wo si MPP fo nsi asore dam ma wo yansi ama ni na ma wadwa na ye bisa sa dai woni mahama nam yi wano monsa na ana wo twitwim wo twitwim ana otwitwim akama yehu papa na nsɛm no bi afiri wɔ no mu ba na nsɛm fatawo yɛnto ado
na meka esi bi afena me bɛkeka nsɛm o ɔmo hyɛ n'anim yana me ndwama no mu deɛ meka bi ebesi 2028 on bɛgwe wo deɛ bɔde atito ɔmo party no ekuta yɛn yɛbɛmmoa no yɛbɛbreki no ne ato atwene sɛ Bawumia bɛyɛ president a Ghana ha hwan Ghana kurom ha mo ho yɛ mesere ɛnɛ so Owusu Bempah ɛne Hopes na do ɛsɛ adekina mo yɛ asɔfo saa na ɔmo akyi so etuo so ɔmo bɛhwu
maybe so asem tie me ye pa eni pa dodo omo wa MPP amanyoko tie me yo eni pa dodo a omo wo MPP amanyoko a omo wa Ashanti region ana so omo wa Accra ba bi asem wo esi ya ye chi Owusu Bempah dren call prison e ba ne sen ena Owusu Bempah any Hopes na doye nkwa na obo wondini bacho temi ye pa temi ye papa we say abra yede hampok egu ne nsa no Owusu Bempah aboa papo any Hopes na doye omona na omugina ho omuka kire and police for na that time say dia na mo mi dia na mo ye adentia because Owusu Bempah nim say aboa papo any Hopes na doye ene omoni MPP amanyoko no omoni omunyin ente ahonam aboa homa papa so enti omona omoye nkrofo asa o ka so omona ka asem bi se kire na omobetumi aka se ye nokore papa wo yo trekesh eni ntia na damfo na mahama no mama amanya akọ papa papa wo a very trekesh guy eni ntia se one John Darega enenam ye no ane se na ye to ne se na ame Owusu Bempah Owusu Bempah o se ye from reverend minim ni pod reverend mao minim university awako enkwasya titles anyansa nim ena amanfo asese gu omo so wo man no ena omo de gi omo ho yakofa bible de abeto ye ho so na ye di amanfo ho mfaso munya Nyankopon beba mo beyi mo ho ano wanwan kase Nyankopon be yan kase Nyankopon ba ochi no Owusu Bempah ne na mo bewu uwu a na ukwa se de meme wu nso bewu uwu na ukwa Nyankopon be bisa sa ne mawe Bible na ufa ya e wo se nka mfa nya adwuma mfa ma Nyankopon a wodi di nkwa asem wodi de wo wakoma pe no Nyankopon be bisa ho asem Owusu yento ara
and the Owusu Bempah Hopes na do o me sutu o ade o me say order from above asia order from munni mo sitiri so asia na ba jam fa say o hwa kosisi adu Owusu Bempah be kwa akoto akuse say o kan na the speaker no onim say the speaker so for ten
wa chase Owusu we chase Owusu adi Charles Owusu ani asama Charles Owusu ubo utim koi da ben esi na se dam pare se dam pare ena wo Owusu Bempah wa punish wa am people na nado de omo asem no firi he ena medi kan kaye bisa wo se nkwase asem ben na wudi ye wodi to ko bi fie eye nokore se nokore de papa wodi force ye de ko prison because ye ntin wura
Satam no so na chama untumi adi kan ka kire me se be jail me 2 years akusi. Ena dampare so confirm a kire lawyer Gary ni mako. Nti dampare de me kotum e wa akusi. Na nkeska obede anya. Enti dampare de me nyamfa nche ne da. Sa dampare. Wo de me kwa kotum akusi. Na tese otum so mu sheda ye mi hu meeting. Chama wuntumi na ka kire mi o chama wuntumi ye. A o so Owusu Bempah obo wa. O so mo de me kotum akuse 2 years. Abraham nya bone sofo mi nkum ni po.
Owusu Bempah.
Ne akọ
Owusu Bempah nti nipa kum nko a ena ye bone papa Owusu wanyini na wo Nyankopon nipa nti wo so de ye a wo ibabie wanyina duru utirimu ne uturumu nyina futwere enti according to your point of view enipa kum nko na ye bone ana papa how can you speak like this?
Akosomo prison bi wa akosomo kwan no so ye fe na kroni di akusi.
Wes abusiafo in fact me de me wo kan say papa we wababe too much because seminar papa we ka e the fan people ho no I think say if actually you would mahama I imagine some person for sanity emra the media space this guy must be picked on. He's fooling too much. He is fooling. Because asem na papa we kan ye say enkrofo omoto ababa MPP omoye nkwasiafo odomi omoto ababa MPP fo no se mahama hwe ne hu yie ene internal minister omo hwe omo hu yie a Owusu Bempah nti entokwa besi oman no Owusu Bempah ne wa sha ase e wo critic Muslim Christian war bi e wo kronom just to fight against Dr. Baumia. Now, me my fire Owusu Bempah ni bi. Na me nya da jekro pose me boni video no nya. Because video no utie duru ba bi e ha adwene. Na papa kan ne nsemfu we wie no. Enipa hodo bebra akasa. Enipa ba akọ wakasa me pese ye betie pa. Ene gabe e fa ni siga. Ose Owusu Bempah oye certain pastor. Ose ochene ndi si abai. Ose certain pa. Owusu Bempah ye certain pa. According to Siga, papa oye oda hoy. Ose Owusu Bempah ye azan because some Owusu Bempah kan nyina no akora keto akora ya wo ne nra a wonim Ghana ye politics ni enim say abai bia betra konwa so a odi mfie nwotwe ansana wako enti ono wasori da bia lopa na utwa yenti esiga asema oka.
Yes, Reverend Owusu Bempah. I wanted to talk about the but let me rest my case there. Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Yeah.
You see, say na sorry the begu.
Oh.
Yes, a begu. O passport market to the wall. Media maker.
Evangelist.
Listen, obi oni mi bia say in my days I started reading psychological books or take answer and be defame no ma be defame no ma be do something so. I deal with human behavior and then conform to myself. I sorry ni begu. But make sure the quality begu. Listen to me.
if NDC a win election 2028
Yeah.
ultimate take credit no. Reverend Owusu Bempah say NDC we need 2028 elections ultimate take the credit to you because we have a lot of NDC pastors almost prophesy say NDC will win 2028. Haven't we heard some before? Jamaica what say te said year 2024 year babe to abano tama no prophesy say President Mahama ntimi president bi no that na Badu Kobi Reverend Badu Kobi any prophet Niger Gesi mo prophesy say 2024 NDC will win the power. Jamaica what say and son obe kabi beside that what the bar in the physical realm me as a logician meaning say who follow the history of Ghana politics, the information of Ghana politics ababi aba onya 8 years mewa ababi aba onya 8 years. So logically ubatimi akase this will get 8 years mewa. The only opportunity NPP ever to win 2028 is say NDC will be fielding new candidates. In our history, our Ghana politics, no, party be fielding fresh candidate. Our new be our contested pay, a contested what we need that. And I say, Obia when a certain president be contested, abe we need a see that, a be see that. That's the only opportunity NPP has going into 2028 elections. But me information I mean from 1982 bad there. Aba when you're 8 years. So you can also be informed by that information to say that NPP wouldn't come to power. An 8-year-old girl cried him say NDC won. They had 8 years. NPP 1, they had 8 years.
I be to me see
2000 NDC 2 had 8 years. NPP 2 had 8 years.
Yeah, but be to me see.
Yes, and I will tell you why. Not sorry to be good. Check. Listen. Say Dr. NDC we need to take credit. Say nobody kaka. Dr. Baumia winia ebe collapse na sorry.
Next about me and a winnie and also in the begu.
Yes,
that's what you are saying.
Yes, I'm saying that send this winnie and your noa because nipa bebre akada. Sound very ne. And I pair the information a physical realm. No. Send this winnie and your noa because I baby about in your 8 years. But so Dr. Baumia winnie and also in the begu because people will come to realize that or a certain man of God. I'm telling you.
That want to mean cancer man of God.
Yes,
I don't know. Obekachan is all your settings.
Metro Adukolti or a certain man of God.
Would that be want to mean cancer?
Apart from Adidiatemno, Metro Adukolti or a certain man of God. What kind of Pew Ghana researcher? Pew Research Center. Or me a research firm, a global research firm. Almost the fastest growing major religion in the world, Islam. Till you. Islam. Now 2010 equals 2028 10 years nipa 347 million and they call Islam and no matter the quality Christianity equally etimi grow to say Islam. One of the key factor we have theology you find to be Christian apologetic. Sa Christian apologetic no say who defended the Bible and the Christianity because there are some exposés be our Bible more and sometimes and conform with you say it does not make sense to them. For example, who the Bible say tama Ken ku ninia Abel no Ken coin and or koware no woye that time you see the path for that we are say why no kokoware no. You need a theologian to break that to them. So people read the Bible and this Christian apologetic when they don't understand it they go to Islam. That is what do. Obviously, the lifestyle of today, the lifestyle of the modern men of God, the lifestyle of the modern men of God is reducing, reversing people from Christianity. The lifestyle, and that lifestyle, Reverend Owusu Bempah.
Are you saying so? A man of God. Are you saying he's not spiritual?
That's why you're spiritual not. No minimum kumasi. The fed Libya. Onu bobo pa. Obobo ni fed Libya. Onu bobo pa. No minimum say na mensa ono so. But you walk kanu na mensa ono so
na na winim.
No minimum say na mensa ono so. But you walk minimum say I don't know because a true man of God will do this. You let me come to my ear. Adequate America say oya settings man of God ne say. Boss, so with this argue America ya. Obviously, some lifestyle of some men of God contribute to reverse the progress of Christianity. Listen, inconsistency of some of the men of God. A man for Christianity. A man for reluctant. They don't go to church because of this inconsistency. Listen, Reverend Owusu Bempah. NDC 2 Ras Mubarak I am me boss chiriu catch Ghana for say tell na Reverend Owusu Bempah bashi NDC for no Reverend Owusu Bempah ba omo ho say yema no shakers oman farmer no if you want to start to say or criticize NDC day in and day out every day NDC is because of that.
That's
what Ras Mubarak told us. So it looks like say Adie Bia and favor Reverend Owusu Bempah no they are cotton as already them say as or prophesied it. But let me tell you something. Adie no okeka and NPP and power. It is not about Obiao. And you two things. One, he can't bear the pain that his candidate in the NPP, Alan Chamatin, did not become the flag bearer.
And the candidate.
Yes, the candidate Alan Chamatin. And to want me still I don't want me override that pain, overpower that pain. Say Alan Chamatin to be a flag bearer. That is one. Two, he cannot stand to see a Muslim becoming president of this country. Reverend Owusu Bempah hates Islam and he doesn't want he hates sorry for using this word but he hates somebody or a Muslim to become a president. Meaning the America the candidate Alan Chamatin did not win and 10 people back opposition and on person a Muslim to become a president. He's not doing it for NDC. He's doing it because or have pain. Reverend Owusu Bempah say, Sheikh Niwi Shaributu. His eminence Ebeko the creation 2019. Sad time now catch say I'm in catch I cannot tell. But he said that at that time no he said a Sheikh NDC agenda. I'm telling you. No he said Sheikh NDC agenda. And you maybe we a man of God. Let's say Obo NDC with me a recording will be head a Casadia recorded at the Bible. No one kasa malign people that were NDC that are no NPP no malign some men of God on here NDC for we was a malign them.
Oh yes, sure.
Yeah, I have heard the video and you have say audio no malign Apostle General Krachanka. You know the reason why Krachanka no person be heard him. Chama mo President Mahama ekobu to duro mo do say gunuso. You understand? Obibia or opposite side say that is why I feel that look he's losing it because you are with NPP. Just by me carry you or by FDC I started criticizing a prophet Kusi Boateng. Eti adie bia and favor the piano or ha ahanye or ha ahanye. That is how Reverend Owusu Bempah. Reverend Owusu Bempah catch and say President Mahama can never be president. Or man people for who you are dead boy. What you club want to be? So many videos around me boy. Was it President Mahama to be your president in PM when we the Juma? Want to say Dr. Baumia winning and the flag bearer? No, who is no? What me tell my Dr. Baumia be your president because Alan Chamatina ne say keba and no cross carpet echo kaze and Nyamese Mahama Kuma Pentino Nyamesa do manashanisa. You were in the change of government here. There's no way LPP could have won that election. You will change of government here. The now Kufuado here your man. There's no way an LPP bet me winning power. Jamaica what I say, and I say, Yamaka the Kaya, no man of God didn't be Bebredika Kadada. Bebredika Kadada. What's the President Mahama to be your president? That is my information. The information is there's video actualities. Twice our guy said President Mahama to be your president. But today, President Mahama, by the grace of God, is the president of this country, and we are all enjoying this microeconomic indicators. And then yet we took a scale, and then inflation dollar in
nanu bini say omanpenyi otisu ntumi nye president na sebi osofo akasabana so kase sisi ade asesa say ne beba unyini.
Me mom there, I don't believe him. So me to be the Reverend Owusu Bempah. You apologize to MPP for. Per what he has said. I want to sorry them.
But did you believe him then?
Listen, Mama try to continue. Me yen ka Reverend Owusu Bempah simiko. Where no ye powerful person that na minim tie.
Me person be ka say now ye powerful.
The reason why me catch you say na minim no. Minim so that so ye powerful they cannot tell because na minim say those days in Kumasi and comfort contact to be prophesied now bem. Ono the case we be Pierre Bishop Duncan Williams the fee ama we pay free buy the American watch say ye dem Owusu Bempah ye nu do betimi aye but the oki kana sore dem no man of God bi anye sa man of God bi odidi atem na sore dem bi anya me send the subiem was my house will be the house of prayer and my words. So, Obi afen we be radio no wetie me. But video ni netie na sanyame saworo so no okasare na I will be very surprised. That's what I read to you. The Pew Research Center forecast the fastest growing the father say religion, major religion in the world, Islam, because of some of these things. So today, say Obia me apologetic. Na me pese me join me pese me ye me Obia me enkofi kura e form say enkofi omo gigi no mani. Then me pese me join a religion. Me back Christianity. And the first word that me share Kesben TV. Na ma te say Reverend Owusu Bempah kasa do I go to Islam because we so be the atamo. Dia make what ma say 92.9 and na make catch you say nim no but the working can the recently no wakano say Mahama Timinya president President Mahama became president Sheikh Nuru Shaributu Bewu Okan 2019 Papa na trasia for 7 years or that's what Nyame adomara kwa. You see, we don't do that.
I say Nyame ya wa de. Say ne waka say ebia na we be si na say ensia na no nkyerese nipa na ye fake ana nipa na ye setters. I don't know when dey and don't so be JD.
That me dey me hu ni say it's like si oni ha esese me kan say se me wa ha esese me kan say sa na me hu na say this for no helu tutu. Oh, this for no helu tutu e di nkomo. What dey yakwa edim na anu dey be si. Ebi so anu o ka say we e di hu a shen people for mama be pare chow. No, I said, about the MPP for the parish. You see, we need to defend Christianity. This is what the Christianity your papa mudijai. When your Christianity so far Kosia Mwakumudijai. When your Christianity evangelist Morgan mudijai. when the Christianity apostle ni mu di jai John Wesley mu di jai when the Christianity Christianity aye pehuru de ye petie no enye ta Christianity ni Archbishop Duncan Williams now den say good so now or bumper ma be Archbishop onye sad we say we dey condone this so obi a obetra o radio so what sorry them and did a political party that has when ruling this country one pay respect to when ruling this country whereby somehow you are benefited from them say indirectly or directly you don't it's like you don't have to do that.
Okay, all right.
We need to defend Christianity. We can't sit down for Christianity to be dragged into mud.
All right.
To reverse the progress of Christianity.
Okay.
That is my stand.
But I say Ziga near day and no
Ziga Ninsema Oka Yeni. Owusu Bempah bedi the MPP for atem can say well beto abama MPP biano. Uni munyansa mu yenkwasya for hwan and hwan MPP begu na hwan. And Ziga beka ono so the ordinary. Abusua Owusu Bempah Edane ya wadwa ose adan ya Ziga mfa bu amano krofo we pa ju se Ghana na ya wodi o krofo we ju se o man na ya omode ono na obedidi nipa be se 6 million for atem kan se party ne begu no onka abone o but o Ziga ka se de all your betuma ma na sori agu o se wadwa ti asema o kan wo de tie ti asema o kan
Ziga ono nke na ono na ye ne se de me penka mo fa asem so le flag bearer kremoni no oba mi fie da bia me no ene ne kona krana me yedo so bedi mi fie so me penka mo fa asem look at all these things ono akwala mpenifo ihia ma ono ni bi tu no de ekoso enti se Ziga no onka nchira no o se de maso begu ene ono so 2 years bedu no she fridge mo opa won challenge media make sunsun asemu
wahwe wo no timi ka se MPP begu MPP fo enkwasiafo wo abeto abama MPP bia no wo ye jimifo wo de me no se o no me obi obeto abama MPP ene no ye kama there is no problem with it but a man for say asori bia odi animu amenipa be se 20,000 ene ekom yes ye no begu a wo se wadwa say they put the nipa and nipa also not that fridge. Where you threatened, If John Mahama is serious, he must to let them pick this guy.
Na ona so for 17 first class ni ko sucho na ko twa obi ana ko bu bitu e ke sunsu ma se so asema so begu na so no so ya kase ya chen wo no yes na ma so no ene mi Owusu Bempah me so che MPP party that's right say na me kan no say good enti o sesa me ma so begu a me ma so begu no nkwa e be hede be di kan akọ nti matem de no bi yesu efo bi kan na jollof on de on ko so bi matem no se me yam wo ho on so wo berebo e o kidney good on so do se ne yam pro san me de meti o me yam dia me no quiet me ya na papa ma no ma hu se me na ma yesu nam ye o bi o munye so mo power wo ma ben ye be o bi o munye atem ye fe de o power aje se me ka se me fi mi obi won ma me se me fi no obi ti se ye ni afia so asini gasi me ya na my man say me fi no
o be fi nko de na se ni ba yo mo frɛ
no ya
oso mamu obi am bono
no kra afia so asini go pro didi matemi no baga no be fi ono sa no tie o baga no be fi sisi a afia so asini gasa o be di matem sa so ku nya no ba me nchen no de na me ho sa ano ti me ya na me fa na se me nya se bu
apon po de asem
sa se mo ya me yan
o mo frɛ no so o
so mo nya go be di matem na oni me dey example so bit so say ni twa da bia kese ne da ne nya ne hwe because me dim no sa no tie efia so aziniga oba o da no be fifa ho sa o papa fa che mo ba bibi ntina me yesa papa ne hwe papa oba de sa o na asre me jadi a chem so many times and I saw di matem be fi da bia me ba so ton de only de me ana me fa na sem ya sem
ya tente Owusu Bempah se wadwa ai wonti ase ya sa na ok osi wadwa ni nya wadwa de se MPP ni bi so a reply de se ono na soro de begu nti wadwa adente ye to be kan sem bi ete sa de fa na ho papa le se wadwa Osi wadwa kura. Na enye one of the asemable. Amanfo abashi no to because I can't kwa asem. Nensem na oka ye nyansa nim. But this no osi wadwa wo. Ono na odidi be se nipa 6 million atem no. Ono mo bi se wadwa se obi se de oye no be ma na sori agu. Nti wadwa. Na movement TV for that's better. That's better. They are sembia by fa Owusu Bempah ho a. Something very serious. According to that's better. Owusu Bempah azanipa. Wasi baby a trim. Abra na ye campaign ma Dr. Bawumia. Owusu Bempah ba bonte me kan kire that's better say. Enam so wakasa tia ne ntino. Aboatia edinachi. Na me pese me no nyina yenkone kokotie. De papa we ye se odi behu na da sebre. Enti da sebre se ba Owusu Bempah de mo mane nka de obeka oboa onim hwe oye calculation o shedan mu odi calculator na ye calculations so abehye nkom oni ani so ade hunu kete yenkotie video no mra sesia
I would have bread the body of Christ or Ghana. Can the body be yanka because then it's for you and I saw for the look and then my chest was so for. Shall we? I got down to call yes, twice. Not my anointed. They were hanging. I'm God anointed. Oh, shut me. The flow to a pastor Motia. The next Ghana for me in Jamaica. I feel we can't read to that. We can't TV to that. And never come and react in action. Prior to 2024 elections, Owusu Bempah eye dede say yatena haka no ho asem na ono da asibre bi no eboti adi na twi enti ebe ya memra na omo mpaye ma me atiefo be kai a Owusu Bempah kan na bonsama sofo ni say no omo ye womo aka asem afa ho di hunhuna wa na wo munam huhumu aye saade no omu bia makotu aduro e dia aye saade no sade be ye bebo ohu na de si ye ni Owusu Bempah ka se moti adi machi na memra na omo mpaye ma me amamfi no wo fie wa fifi kuma se ba ha because that's a road no wa fifi kuma se ba ha obeya di yani dan ono amo what the rest who can no amo no ono amunu wiye ya wotete mu no wiye no aso horo niema odi aduane ni nyina mu ono kwa na wo kitchen me to ho me TV one no be sam say na ayi no bo na si rice cooker mu no ewai na me na nyo na wo ye wa na me abubi sam ye wo si wo hu adu odi anu amu rice cooker no atiti mo na wiye sesi ano bo na mo no wo ma otiti ye no ohun no kitchen ho ebesi ne me da na me timo no a 1 bedroom a kukura be nti o kitchen nya kaklaka ena me no say me see arrange me ma nya seketi ena bibi ko se ba bia wo bra ye tu kitchen ho ne ma nyina that very day ebesi ne sabo na esi rice cooker mu no ya hu Owusu Bempah be kache me say moti adi machi no any one weakness ask me see ye because moti be fa rice cooker bowl no yes sir na abom hu say ampa moti adi machi na wonim ni pana no de na asem band me kwa na kwa koho na makoho me kwa bana san kwa asem ni adimi sem wi unya me da ni wife ko eko kachira ya asofo mo mo bompa ya ofi ona me kwa ma ntena hobi because me san kwa asem wi udi dimi ya oboa me mfiu me nsuro eti rice cooker na mo di enu amon ya bu yi ade ne temu no mo ko di wiye no gbo na simu no ade na rice cooker si wa me anam fa anam kototwe ayi mu na bo ni die ya hu bi obi moti abefa ya soma moti na mo abefa koi enti omo yesa adi hunu nam onju ko na sori a na wa kan sem ya to so na anaju da suo mu no na wonam enuro so na wa yesa ade no obrem enti wa yesa ade no obrem a na ho po eno ena ma asofo basa no mo Ghana ha no wo mo de achi Ghana fo dodo no agu o ma so fie ayo mo sesa bi nyanya wo mo entimi nya fie no sa na me kwabra me tie yi Owusu Bempah wuntimi fa sa ensamfo no bi medimi da wo moti a unu moti an ntena ma so fie ho na mfa nye de mreye me nka ho
Now bet me di atem. This time the young people are more you. And you personal because what the matem. Because many are 2 other people. Of course. Now time for you have to 2 other people. Which is which means say 2028 because 2028 you have 2 other people. Of course. I say one more damwa. But what could you not so them? Say we are suffer. No can cross the same way. Ebi a nipa. Enipa over best 6 million or Ghana. Say what boy in India or do me. Matthew chapter 7, verse 15 and 16. Muja mu ye di fatro fo ho. Na wonam nyanten mu ba mo nchen. Na wo mu de wo ya mpateku adufuru pefo. Wa ba na mo de behu won. Enti se wo ye Kristo ni na wo kwa asori a. Me so mo ni na ho. Se enkwaje enti na wo kwa asori dia. Ma wani na ho eni asofo bi a mo di wo machi no. 1 Peter 2. 1 Peter 2, 1 to 3. And also, I can't say maybe ever thank you for no ahun. 1 Peter 2, 1 to 3.
Okay. Eric, my batch of my sandy baby, I must say, ready. I will see that also.
What's in a different true for? And so, manum.
Okay. Now, a different true for manum. A different true for.
Manum.
Okay. There be. Any video lumpo me screenshot my video in the main person but me besa me share the current state of osofo baduko bi enti me try screenshot to be the ma ya now the no mo ateso patcho me dase ye
say di fatro fo so o man no say di acheche fatro fo beba mo no one na wodi oseye fakusem ebeba abehye mu na wapa awurade a oto wo no odi wo no mpo na wodi osaya eba ntentem aba won so na bebre bedi wa hohwisem wachi na wonti obeka nokura kwan no ho ensemone na wona manibra so edi na ada asem ebepa won ho mfaso wona efi titi wa temwo antwentwanse na won saye entonku enti Ghana ya difo na ewo no ebi no Jeremiah 14:14 and I can kind Bible.
To water. Obviously, Reverend Owusu Bempah, with all due respect, you are a man of God before you are a political commentator. Ghanaians have the constitutional right to vote for the MPP or NDC or any other political party. You may disagree with our choice, but you should not go about cursing people for exercising our right. You know, and what's them and you can.
Jeremiah 14:14. Or say,
Jeremiah 14:14.
Jeremiah. Now, Raddy catch me say, Atro and a different edition with Dean Hong Kong. Monsuma, Namin Shawon, Namin Casamin Trewon. Atro is to do any unconscious, any sim, anywhere Kumemuna da. And I would a tremui and a crony acquisem and that womudi. Now, last time in Baby, and I'm a year last one, your judge. That Metaka,
but you should be mammy, features of a false prophet, characteristics and features or traits of a false prophet, and I say charlatans and PB.
2 Corinthians chapter 11, verses 13 to 15. And look at them, I can send up Ramican. Okay. Now making kind, Naman say, Yana, you move him, and I can't say, into 2 Corinthians chapter 11, verses 13 to 15. Now, sir, the pay a small flatro for. As my phone, I doubt for or down who say Christ as small for. Now, one, if you say, Satan, one put a down who say hand before, and it's an small phone so down who yes say. Tini asumfo a enya de mama bia na ebewie won se de wo nyuma tie.
Okay.
Se de Paul e kan no. Se woni simo se hwan o se ko bridge ufo no. Oye bo haye oye mboni bebi na onyame ntwia ne ka se de nyuma tie.
O ntwia ne ka se de nyuma tie pepepe.
Enti osofo Owusu Bempah ani asofo am Ghana ha. Samo ya mo politics, amonya mo politics. Sankwasi asemo amobubo obodua no minipa munya
yo
because unti madome me ankogyina waso dem na dia ya ni say oka jimi sem ne nkwasi asem we ya na so fonu bia abaji so
oh se wi ase die
what
bi wo
ọsọfo ni gyina wani ma ọjimi no na ọbọ agye so
yɛma mpa yɛma saa nkɔfo no ɔmu yɛmfo mi ɔmo adwene
sɛ ɛyɛ duro bi na ɔmo de hyɛ asɔre dɛm hɔ na nipa no kɔ tia so wie a ɔntumi mpie mfiri asɔre dɛm no mu bio na ɔka hɔ ɔnti aseɛ because obi a ɔso ɔkɔ asɔre deɛ wɔsɔre agyare kwasiada na wɔkɔ asɔre akɔtie nyame asɛm a na ɔsɔfo gyina w'anim keka nkwasi asɛm wei akyerɛw na wɔburu nnua na wɔdome nnipa na adeɛ sɛ wɔasa akɔ asɔre no mu bio ɔsɔfo Owusu Bempah na yɛhunu asɔfo ha o yɛhunu asɔfo ma sisi asɔre dan kama wote asɔre yɛ nɛ wɔhwɛ sɛ anka MPP fo ne bɛsi asɔre dan ma wo
na asɔre dan wɔwie hwan na wotie bi kwampo afedie wo twa ntrɔ kwampo san ato kyema wontumi so
sɛ wontumi ɛna wɔse wɔn so mbɔbɔ Owusu Bempah ne Adoye tuo from power from above order from above sɛ emu omu tuo sɛ ɔmo akɔka sɛ ɔsɔfo Owusu Bempah mamu ha no wɔn ka asa apɛ wɔsi mu omu yɛsi mu omu tuo
wɔn na sɛ omu omu tuo
sɛ power from above ɔsɔfo Owusu Bempah mi deɛ mi hu sɛ ɔyɛ mɔɔti ahene mi from deɛ ɔbɛyɛ ne fie no hu sɛ ɔyɛ mɔɔti ahene mi mu sɛ ɔyɛ sɔfo baako na wɔn yɛ mɔborɔ ɛne innocent souls a wɔyira wɔn mo no na nyame te soro wɔhwɛ wo hwɛ wo nneɛma yie
nti wei da sebere nso ne nsɛm a ɔde baayɛ a ɔde begya Owusu Bempah ɛne atemudidi a ɔde didi MPP foɔ for free Owusu Bempah nsɛm no deɛ odwene ho a wonte aseɛ deɛ nti a ɔsɔfo mu a ɛbɛdane ne ho political dog to the point say otumi gyina ɔno ankasa ne platform so edidi amanyɔkuo baako atem completely ensɛm fata papa no monka na papa no nte oba bi ɔwɔ sɛ sɛ ɔso ɔyɛ papa panyini ɔgyine ho di na obu ne ho di a ɛne atemudie no ontwa so na ensɛm fata no koraa ensɛ emfata no koraa enti Owusu Bempah mesrew jaajimi wa asɔre dan mu naka nyankopɔn asɛm ɛfa kyerɛ sabio wasɔre ma na wasɔre ma no ɔmo ba wasɔre hɔ sɛ ɔmo bɛyɛ dan ɔmo bɛpɛ nyankopɔn asɛm ɛna tie ɛnyɛ politics nti ɛna amanfoɔ ɛba wasɔre dan mu yɛto aso na yɛnkɔ yɛnim na yɛbɛkɔ yɛnim abɛkasa afa different topic bi ho but I want to have just one single little break ra me be koro ade video we na me pese mo hwe na me ko break mra yes I have to
auntie esi na den na wo no wata mo ba me ho amonim aye busasa auntie ama university na scan year 2005 anya dia menya ti mayi mentuma same de bro na pepi kakra no de fama me o enya su mensu fantuma no koto fi enti wonte se John Dramani Mahama ene NDC for say nyame ya adom na Ghana for to abama na wo ba aba university bia technical university college of education nursing training wo mu nyina academic fees for first year eye free no yes adama ujidi adadwen ene na mate dende anti esi she ebiem wo say enka ne bosia na obo wo ma omo to asukuu so no se na obo ne baako a se wo so obesi ho e dia ma oma omo to aso no ane ene nyame nsa John Mahama ye chame nso mu kura ne se ye nuanom a omo di dem asabe graduate omo ko sukuu to no wo se wo mu nyina wo ba eye free ane ama enka me ko nanka na ye 7 December nanka ya to aba na maye papa Mahama amana be ya president
hwe wasitne moto aba pa e de sakra ya papa beba wa brabo mu to aba ma John Mahama ne NDC
ene ko si say was ya anya me na me siro anya bia would sa same way sa stress free asem no yen kama ni nuro akiri ansa abushe another than Koku for the education, free education by for the senior secondary school. Papa na dwene mu do. When you say abusiamfo ne maamefo ne awufo binom. answer mo tumi de omo marco school no so omo koton omo japade omo koko omo japade enam se na do mpese saade ni besinti no ofa aka ni nyina ato ne ho so John Mahama ni nkontompo sem se stress free because o say ebinom omo ko university a omo ton omo awofo japade anso omo atimi akọ university enti ono body stress free fee eba me body ma Ghana man you woman there. I can say it on authority say there is no one single student stress free no what is so fast. Uni plan on mo yene ne. And at the end this if say kutia utia wia na ya sign a compensate to sikadiama. Me body ma. Na se me wo de metumi de atua first. Me wo de me ankasa metumi de atua. Enye na me de stress free ni ye day. The word stress na that's what they say sika na manfo epa anye so mo koto mo japade o enti se wo jae me ma me koto mo japade ekoji sika e de ko school na chire no wo ye den wo se wo sign e de sika na ma me a nyansa be me wo as chire ne say and this for they don't want Ghanaians to go to school enti university no yese mo amu sika no e na mo betumi akọ enti asikafo no etumi ene omoma no kọ a akire no na aban na se etu asika no de amawo but wo hiani na e wo se nka stress free no mbom no wo na wo se nka o benefit because wo na wo ntumi nya sika emfa nko first year of your university no wo no John Mahama also the stress free aba na so at the same time wo ntumi nko because wo ntumi nya sika mfa nko tua na akire wo de ama na se waka fie sa policy onyansa ben na wo Sa policy we ya and this for so omo dia ba agi se nipa no kotua ne first year admission fee ni wie ansa na ya reimburse de amano no nyansa ben na wo ebe de no hia ni ba no atimi di kan kwa kotua na kire yi Mahama ye den asan ya tua amano ontumi kotua na se wo hia ni no you are not going to the university be at home yen fanse mu nsia na yen kọ yanim pine I was share a video where ye where sa picture where ye pa mama when ye mam na hu hia me IMF documents revealed Gold Board Bank of Ghana losses were 1.7 billion but not 214 million published by Bank of Ghana. Abusianfo, ye nim say Gold Board e ho asem e ya asem bia ye ka ho asem bia MPP amanyokuo MPP minority in parliament on many occasions they have called the Bank of Ghana governor to come and talk with them in parliament. They have called Sami Jamfi in many occasions but they always refuse. Nim said the MPP, the minority in parliament, has always cautioned, said, and this is for a Magana Maye Boka, it was Sad Jumadina, or the Gold Board, and the Bank of Ghana AD. And this is for saying, to the point they say, before the middle year budget, and ever talk about said, and this is for through the Gold Board, I heard $240 million. And also could put commodities MPP for ya na ye hwehwemu na omo nsa koka Bank of Ghana document and omo de babot abusia na no ye da sori ya ye de enim say 240 million loss and ayabo na no ye da sori ya I mefufuo ma babon ten a de omo kan say enye 240 million o na mbom no eye 1.7 billion and a Ghana minor hwere because of Gold Board, any Bank of Ghana or Mojumo or Moye. Now, don't forget to say, and also, and the Bank of Ghana Governor Ankasa, Dr. Siama, Obabon Tembeka say, Omo Chi Omo who for the Gold Board Juma now o dear no. And Chebia, and I am a flag and Omo 5 Omo document way about Bonte, I didn't hear because before no. na omo use the general auditor and the Ghana auditor, and they were using him to do NDC joke. But IMF did evidence because IMF no access to every single document of every part of the Ghana economy. And omo de no kore na omunya no kore no omo de ba bonten no afei na Dr. Siamasi oyeden on finance BM because oman na eboka. Na me yabari me. Senka IMF eka oman bi ehu sikasema bi IMF beka normally eyefana. But yet your mind Ghana mu doing campaign ma Sami Jamfi to me college. Ebe can say indications are not IMF for a day ba say Ghana man say ye ko ye nimu year after COVID. MPP amanyo ko na manage well. Sami Jamfi be catch Ghana for say ye no we should not listen to the IMF or mu did throw. Now no IMF for so the report we by ya Sami Jamfi to me nya kokodra ko TV so IMF for did throw. I'm sure I said, "Mumuidro, take me po. Me more than more." Some jam fear to me, you could draw quite TV. So say, I said, "Be an for can father losses on a yano credit video." Or say, "Good board, no, or would the Sikana Bragana tea."
Revenue being tripled by the gold board, our expenditure rather was reduced. In 2024, expenditure of PMMC was 129.6 million. But expenditure for gold board in 2025 was reduced to 109.5 million. And this was despite the fact that the PMMC had less than 120 workers, but the gold board had over 450 workers. So despite having over 450 workers, like more than double the workforce of PMMC, we displayed frugality, modesty, and prudence in expenditure and reduced expenditure from 129.6 million in 2024 to 109.5 million. At the end of it, we recorded a surplus of 5.4 billion.
We've done an extensive show on your expenditure and then your revenue. Now, I want us to focus on...
So you confirm that there were no losses?
On my books, there were no losses.
Yes.
And of course, nobody has actually said that gold board made losses.
Nobody has actually said that? Repeat that.
On this show.
Not on this show. No. Are you saying nobody has said gold board has made losses?
I don't know of others, but on this show, I can... Okay, that's what you
exactly. So you see the surplus there, $5.4 billion. So if anybody tells you that the gold board has made a loss, the person is a liar. This is the audited financials of gold board published by the Auditor General of Ghana. And if somebody says that the gold board is part of loss declared by another institution, tell them that that is a lie.
Sami Jamfi say another institution. Now I say good. IMF for asem no kano. Because IMF for the country say good board aboka catch up say entro. And this is for Nigeria deal. Even the journalists not some of them fail to me convince na Nigeria deal. Say good board moka. Abra IMF for na account. Na ye ma me abra se wa eba abonten be ye video bi. Edin search mo be ebeto abonten in a very humble way. Said the ekosoro Yewura Mahama must to step in and make sure say he will put things in order. Because said the name see because you are here who ya and the bell so no now mine no you see kanyina or more shinina moment video number.
You may be a cosu and memua see me ano ni anka eji gonwa e yankasa nti etwase yeka na yema omanpanin so neni eba ne ho so e wo saa newmei na ohwe kan be fa so a odi be si ano kwan edikan high entity e gold board in semsem na anu ya IMF article 4 program yom releasing busumi ya eka anadi adansidie bebre efim abasade na minority ni kenyina efa gold board ho se losses bebre ekoso wo ho a esesa abantwa ni hwe no se na eye no kre wo hwe Bank of Ghana Broni Beka so monkunta bu omu bu for 2025 a ye friend financial statements no Bank of Ghana ka say sika omode bu a gold board ye ejuma a omo bo ho ka no eye $214 million eno enkoda nchen aka na mienu na afe no abewiye no aban so sign ma gold board 4.5 billion Ghana cedis yenkote ne yenkohwa Say na $240 million na Bank of Ghana car say a car omo gold ball no. I'm force entisa crampo na 1.7 billion Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to 22 billion Ghana cedis. Menuam anese for any teacher for. Mugu fi a mo pese ye fam adwuma. Me kai say minister ne kan say oni sika 6 billion no case of finances ni nyina say about 6 billion. Na sa sika ni bi eni ho. Ye de be finances no. Na mo ye 22 billion de e wo hwa ye de be boka ye nya so nsihu bia. Nanso se mo na sisi na nka ye fa mo a 6 billion yi ye di kan unemployment a e pagya ni mo adu 30% no. Na nka megidi se annual brass ne etoso mienu mo ba be ye adwuma na mo so metua mo to abroni ka ne se income taxes ama aban inti 6 billion ye se aban ato atwene o na nka obenya ho mfaso nanso 22 billion ye fa ne se ye car wabo a ontimi nti wo bebia ye bisa ye ho se ana say ene etena se edibu oman edi run company ana company ba kope o ya bo ho ka 22 billion ye toss me news 22 billion ni mra ye ba ban mu 2017 2018 na ye banking hihye no banking crisis no 22 billion ye bi ne edi tua customers 1.2 million na omusika eden akoloki wo bank na banks ni ntimi nti omuka 1.2 million customers ene edi tua omuka na so ba akofo ejuma ba akope ya bo ho ka 22 billion na sa ban ka se oni 6 billion or the best finances ejuma ana oni sika ama minister of education kra ka say oni di onya ye obefa mo ejuma mu na so clearance na be kire sika aban e de ka niswade hu no won so be fa nkofo ho no eni ho sebe sa sika we nyina 22 billion ni ye dia ma oba akofo e ma ye den ye ntimi ente ho emfaso na so ye de e why mu kakra de ma ministry of education ka say ye teacher fo ya wo fi a ye mfa mu yi yes 40,000 teachers e wo fie a ye mfa mu yi migidi se nanka ya femu dodo na na mu ye adwuma na mo so nya mu ye adwuma keke o nanso mo so mu tia eto through mu income taxes e ma ban eden enye bi mu san so enye sika mu di bi beto nyom edidwa na mu di didwa aban so gigi a ogigi e friend revenue no in the form of VAT any excise duty no eno so e be konkan menuanom na anu ya minister ne de media budget review no eba parliament ye nye hu ye ma ne kasa ye nto ade a enye omusem no mabo no mo ka ho asem VAT akofom VAT aban ye ntimi emiti ni VAT target for half year excise duty taxes eno so akofom aban ye ntimi emiti nti nye o ma no keke no mo de ka numbers ni na edi adanse se ye nto ade wo krom because sika eni krom aban en spending what the right places na se obakofo pe company ba ko pe udi 22 billion ehun mfaso bia ensan emma e de mom na ehwe asese ya sebe sika ne ebi be we na yetimi di aiden e de edudwuma foforo e be boa ama mpuntuo ani broni be ka se economy be ebe sachira na nkofo ato ade nye maame no so omudi dwa no so omso aiden omenye sika ni bi e de ahwe omba eno na ye ka se president Mahama yesrew twa wani ko gold board na hwe nioma ekoso wo ho esanse wa na wo ka kire yen mi bi atwem afi 2025 say entities ana aban companies na enya ade no wo be hwe ni esese o maji so mo mmodi on be maji om ni esese wo yi free ho kro mo mmodi nso a wo be den wo be ye ne saa nti yesrew ni abai die menye hwe han twawani na be hwe gold board asema ameke migidi se utie na supemu a na so wo muaye bi a wo be kire wadwen na mu enye eye na ebeboa ama 1.7 billion dollars loss no akọ enye eye na 22 billion Ghana cedis na ene aye kasei ahwe form enye eye no na be ma na ba na mu cheche ye mu kwan ye fa so e ba ya ye gidi se bibi wo esese ye boa na usi ano a ye be ye ne sa ni etwa to okra ne se hwe parliament budget ne ba ha ya approve ministry department and agency bi obia de nti ye kire say ministry of education ye be ma no teku ministry of health ye be ma no simpoa obia de ye kire nanso enne wo be hwe obia de obia ni ho a agency bi ni ministry bi ni ho a the budget our parliament approve ye didn't man 100% agi gold board pe aka na mienu we de anyame na me kan ye ye penny or that gold board ano eno kan say aka na mienu Broni beka se 48 hours na afi no akwa ewiye no e na aban transfer sika 4.5 billion Ghana cedis. Ebia me ntimi nka no ba ebia be pepe 4.5 billion Ghana cedis na aban edema gold world. Ubisa se Ministry of Education free SHS no ahen ye edema no. Ministry of Interior say recruiting police, prison officers, fire officers, and immigration officers no ahen ye edema ye 100% of our budget ana. Ministry of Nkukwo Nkiti agric. Wo hwe kra na agric ne agric minister no ni PA challenge deputy minister ne say wo minister ka so ma misika say nanso enye no krese sa sika no e no de ma me o ma me 1.1 na mo so see ma me 1.6 billion show ministry carry out policy na obakofo pe ya ma 4.5 billion Ghana cedis aka na mienu na afe no akọ awieye yes President Mahama say ontwa nani na omra no ombehwe na afe so ne ha me ne ya ayam hyehye baako ene se ejuma bia na ekuo bia se wo ye ejuma ema obi a se we ejuma na wo ye no eye finchim meka se eye finchim a eye transparent utimi account for it percent yetie wo hwe ya Bank of Ghana reported share no 2025 financial statements and say loss omu make you gold board on $214 million. IMF say and yes sir na $1.7 billion. Me bisa accounting firm na audit Bank of Ghana no difference of 1.4 billion no eba ne saying omo ehu ana omo hu yom de share hifa omo mra esan say we die broni beka say their credibility is on the line. We want to know how they treated the difference, no, a little over 1.4 billion, no, such that I'm recording 240 million loss per instead of the 1.7 billion loss, no. Because we dear a ya sifim, na ya yam share, say ya auditium ya financial statements are bad one thing. A Bank of Ghana and Shishemune who said there be the worker said 240 million dollars no ente sa na 1.7 billion ti mesre accounting firm na omwodete Bank of Ghana so say omumra no be chiechie mu we nya Bank of Ghana nko asem omso omde ka ho bi no mu chiechie mu kwan ye fa so a 1.4 billion no omehu anaso muhu ya omde share he ewo financial systems omuma yehu because ye ejuma we ye amomai no said bia ebe ye french bia be ye krogen say ye baako ewo Ghana saa na IMF so hu say ye baako eye mienu wo Ghana saa na IMF no hu say ye mienu na enye 214 ewo Ghana losses no 214 na IMF ekohu ya om say 1.7 billion ye besre ye pomani ye pomani kanko Ghana for ato abama mwene NDC for 2/3 of the parliamentary caucus yes remo moma ehumra mfaso ema Ghana for eniti ne yes President Mahama say onhwehwe sa nyuma we nyina mu no mmoa yen na bebi eda no ye mfa nto bebi wo ho esese yesi hu kwan a yetimi esi hu kwan na de esi say 1.7 billion at eye 22 billion Ghana cedis ke betimi di afa a teacher for ne nurse for a ene a omutifie ye betimi assign so dibi achechire ne ye de aboa agenda 111 na ma ye wie hospitals na ma yare sabia ene aban a etwemu ene na adodan kwa kufu ado aban PP government no ebe ye ya esi ho se sikeni ho sika na gold board a ye de 22 billion emom a ye ntimi nte ho ka ebiom nanso nanke ye de ye hospital ejuma sebe ye nnuanom ko hospital mu tua eto no besan ba aban sem sebe ye de farm free ye nurses ne ye teacher for ya ananka omu wie a ye di kan no aban unemployment rate na eso bete ne toso mienu so mbetia to ama aban nya ho faso 22 billion idie akofom woni beka say it's gone down the drain insu eguso ahye asei hwini ho aye betimi aya fa ho nanso di aka no ye pese ye bo ho ban nti we ye nya oye enye se wo ba be ye nipa a all the assembly air to dwa na emu kire wadwen na wadwene to asuma ye nya ahwe kwan ye befa so a okene bi saa die we ensi biom so do man ne pa enye eye na wo de be hya ase o do man ne pa wo be kire se dwuma e di ahye onsan wo tosin wo beebi a kana ye moa wo ehu hia obia emfiti nya ne prekope wo tosin wo beebi a no aka ne aboa ne akire wo na okene bi awan tosin biom ama ne eti sei ansa ensi wo ye man so me da ye nyina ase nyame nhia ye nyina.
Yes, enti ye maame abena asare ena ye te ne nka said your children gold board honor rotten be cause wa I'm saying my auditor general kurampono and this are buying atono edeno ashe wo bottom because auditor general kurana ne auditor ye no at the gold board honor when to me who no kurana kan kire Ghana for the key IMF for and san Ghana for who say samija biankasa juma na wo ye no ama my Ghana aboka $1.7 billion US. Yamfa se muncho na yenko yanim. Abusia comedian bis. I did it for words so you already go. Huh? Well, ya turn it to it. So I got TV so na ya more car. Ya film pony ya make it profit. Ya turn it to. Na comedian bi ba. Akobi ya say friend bashitele. Ya say very said bashitele.
And we had an aim, and I can tell you today that the NDC is virtually the first political party to have fulfilled our entire youth manifesto in 1 year. Everything we promised in there, we have done it. And so I bring you good news from President Mahama. He says we are going to go back to the drawing board, and for the first time we will put together a second manifesto and we shall implement it again before the end of his tenure.
2 moments later.
See, but
my promise is nini now.
Yeah, a bit temu.
What do we know? Why we have brought them? What if I say worker? I said this for promise on promise to the youth, no. Or more for Freddy Bibia. Tia some that quite carry you. I say promise here, promise here, and this duty, a promise here one. Or more by no was souvenir. During the yard. And the automatic posting for the youth, Yasovo. Huh? Yasovo. 24-hour economy for the youth, Yasovo. Hey, Sanya do a bio so could be or could you see Catitri Bino, and what do we him could be small boys. Kwasiake can't for any assessor one do more a government institutions are no and I'm kwasia semon kwa somebody di atem ye mo ye nimu nyansa ya dwene nya adwuma ti asema o man he ka kire na
but
my promise is nini na no
yeah e bi su temu ho
na we na Basentali say first you mo wie ni.
Oh, forget about Basentali. Now there's all kinds of na campaign platforms. So I think that where he works in a campaign platform, he's a joke. If we are holding people accountable, he should be held accountable. Or the governance is diagro. The standards are falling over. What comes from the Mwedi? It's an insult to us. You sit somewhere and just talk all these things to us at our faces. Or the governance is diagro. I just don't want to even call out that name. Obi in Ghana. Any more background. Cast bed already did the Machiko, and I'm paying them more quite in the back. Or apart from the specialized cast, their man is one from Tusanamo. Some of these chief executives and ministers, they are abusing every opportunity, living as if there is nobody ahead of them.
But say if you are also cast are based on information.
What information? Now you don't that information or the one who they want to be man. I said, let's not allow politicians to be doing this to us. Let's not do that. That's what far for Snilla. Because when you say if you are accountable to Ghanaians, if this is the way the president is behaving now, I said, okay. And because I don't want to call out his name. Officially, that's the campaign platforms. Politicians, they easily forget themselves. They 2 million now. Big shake up ever. And most chief executives, they will go down.
CEOs,
of course. As it stands now, ministers of more more cabinet of guarantee of 3 pay. And of guarantees on the ratio for bigger one ever. 3. And 3, I can boldly call out 2. 2 nukra 1 na medical that to ya. Of course.
And John Janapo.
2 asa.
Obi anye.
Omo ke bia no omutirikika. O don kosun keka kika nsem we nchira amanfo nsaba ne koye adwuma. Because the governors are going here. People queue to go and vote for you to continuously propagate falsehood and lies.
Now, what do you call a lie? Or say, I buy the first government within 1 year. We are fulfilling every promise in their youth manifesto.
Mesro. Ukra the anime, the enemy Dennis, Ukra was any mumrano ni bibia. Yeah, they say I could try the niaba. It will no maham. So, my king catch you. The utie unim says answer me kwana me deba making country we are also there be enye also there be enye no be so the 1 year away na there and say by the time next year we are done with
almost be a new manifesto for the youth.
Let's get serious on this matter, because if you tell me that 133 who catch them say it's been done 133. Also, it's been done. Not 24-hour economy. They say about 24-hour explanation. Every time we are explaining things, 24-hour economy. I bet 24-hour explanation. Is that what they want to tell us now? Obia redefine what the 24-hour meant. Obia redefine. So they should take governance. Some of them, they should take governance serious. I can't just say enough of the optics, no, enough. Get down there and work, because there's a lot to be done in this country. Nekura obi, what if you have first light problems are now? Not even a respect from the urban roads or highways or wherever to write to Ghanaians and say, Adiana muhu ohonom no, yes, yes, with impunity. Nobody is held accountable for anything. So we are found such a major area. City
from Hanson.
Tell me memorial. Edaho. Yawa Jumekua. Eshema Sadi Jumano. Obia Fahu. Odopa come. Nobody cares. That's why we have a problem in this country. We are getting into a chaotic scene. They are not seeing it. They are only amassing wealth. That's the best thing they're not doing. They are amassing wealth at the expense of the citizenry. It will the public office. How and how Sika Obenya Ninoma and Sam Fatal Baye and a woody actually.
Yes, o my end kwabna sante say Bashintele na some more can dear enter sumukura. How can you say some Mahama and the promise you make yet to the youth to a sovereign in just 1 year? Hey, now Bashintele or Tefa Krubens no Bashintele or Tier. I'm not going to say the youth say no, they are all living in his office. Na Ketriana original, the youth are receiving the same amount. Bashintele, what the Ghana phone kwasi phone na amount for to mo asementia. E na mo di wachi na mo yodo na utimi ya o de Jimmy. Yes ye nche ba be yi wadi. E ho do be suo nyansa. Ya pere konti ya to aso na ekoye ni. Abusuanfo, garamsi asem no age atom. And this is deceive Ghana for. And then Bonomanim, Garamsa Jehoafa, to the point to say, at Ronier residents, they have to come out and protest massively against Garamse. Because some person are not Bresho, now Mukrum, ye can't Garamse Kura or Munima de Kura. Per video.
Since as we all look for the water, it has been destroyed. And it is the cause of this Galamsey that has destroyed these water bodies. You see, if you come to this area, the farmers here use this water to sprinkle their vegetables, and we know the number of vegetables that we convey from Atroni to Sunyani municipality. Now they cannot use this water to sprinkle their vegetables anymore. So the people here are suffering, especially some of the farmers. Some of the farmers are suffering because they cannot get good water to watering their crops. So the illegal galamsey that is ongoing in Jene in the Atroni Two land is affecting my communities, and some people cannot even get an access water to drink. So we are appealing to the president and we are appealing to the NIMOS commander to come in and drive those who are doing the galamsey in the Gene in the Atumius 2 land, so that the inhabitants or the communities in this area will get source or good drinking water to drink.
Abusafo sɛ wohɛ deɛ kɔsu ade sɛ krono nyinaa pia bɔntere ɔmo yɛ dede kɛseɛ ɛde kyerɛ sɛ boroma ne mu deɛ nka galamsey ni hɔ nanso mahama brɛ so nko a boroma no galamsey agye afa ɛno ho demonstration ɛna abusuafo yɛ abusua like video na hyɛ ma me na yɛnkɔ yɛ
How to perform rituals. Those who are destroying
yes, I was down for the Punomani Munina. Mahama Dauromanti, Galamsey Jehofa. Because Papa can't say or no bar. Galamsey no more by okay. Enya de bono okay or kasi ni pi. So no bar Galamsey na man for between ya. And the man for so your mojuma. But Kurana Galamsey ni susumpono and then Krono Adan Galamsey crew. Yakoyana ye buy. Abatu yokotu ye bone ben ya tia ye. Na ye bre konti ye be boss no de akoya nim. Na wo like na wo share mame. Abusuampi NDC ni man panyin bi abeka asem bi very interesting. Ose se wo ka abanyoko mo di atempa NDC and especially Kavintera groomed by the NDC, sponsored and paid by the NDC. And it's a Mahama person chi among for Mudidi attempt there. He must to start from Kavintera. And yes, sir, a man and fallen sir and Kagana Libya. It's your video.
You know, the NDC ni metia ekamunokre. Neko farbai. Any abranti bi a woti USA. De bi a wotwe phone sinenim Kevin Taylor. Di atamo di satin na yinfunu nyina atem. My de no kokot. Na wa bana Supreme Court attorney ade no na ye wo security for na edinachi. Aden.
O ye NDC ni o.
Oh, Massa Pacho. Edu baby ya. Fabra. Midi kan me NDC ni.
You think Ghana first?
Pacho, me Ghana ni ansa na me be NDC ni. Oh, what did I mention? Baby tete me no. Enya santete ye ni ye de mame. Yankasa atemnidie enka me politics a me ye ho. Enti se me bi NDC ni na so bi ya de na enya e wo party mu a se me ka kire no. Na no ni nya atemnidie. Sadi we ya esi ye no. I am bolding nipa binmama sabio sabin prebiasa. Omusu say eyede ben bibi na tiegu omusu ama obi eyebi.
Kevin said there is difference between insult and threat. One threatening obi ada. Enti
na atemnidi. Udi obi atema. Yako ye mra mu. Mu yanka bisa lawyer.
ubisa ne say wudi obi atema eh de a friend verbal assault it is a war assault to obi a wo don sa ebu obi a ye den ye van kokot
ye do kokot yes
nti verbally war assault to obi a no so ye nya
ye do kokot
so what is it so eti ni all can say me say so ubetimi aka wasem
you can criticize
criticize ni pa no na temni die masa me hu ana me bote if say nya santete ne ne de maame odi atem say nipa no wuja da bena ya kwakọ gira CPA so ye campaign ni akasa ye ni yetimu di atem kese pa di muntu abamayen
you been see that
me say I know anywhere kwa me de bia ne na meka ne say ni ye no na meka o ni anye no meka na oni me nyadwen a ye wa wase
so now when you okay with the decision court decision e Kevin Taylor ho
me momu de na me okay with it because we di bi ni mata on atem ne de o hoyi sabi sem brother edu ba bia ye o ade a wuni ho na obi ka
e ka fa ho yes
nipa na ya wo ka fa ne ho no ka hu se o ma bia wo yire bia wo kunu you see won so a wo ka sa asem no o papa o maame so mu nwu ya o mo ti wo so mo wu mpa wo nuanom ne hu krode ba enye fe
so you think that is the genesis e Ghana ya
me madwimu media me madwimu obi be kasa oni me nya adwen ba me madwimu na ye sa ne ma no a oh ne ya na me ne ha me ne say ebinim so ana minim so omunim de no esoso a omusu ye bi na ebinim so aya omunim de te say na say wo hwe ma ebinim omoye indomie ebinim na mo so etwe TikTok ya bai etwe phone si omanim na omudi atemo a ya che omu na ebinim ka ara na oche no free speech no ene atemni die no kwabra me no ekasa wo ho medi obi atem
dem
enti de benti na yensua se yensem a ye be ka no ye ni atem na mo ye be ka semama atonipa na so wonim se sie wo ye no free wa enema bi e ba ese mo hwe na mo ka mo asempa ene Christopher ni kramofo asemo mi be se sie na me hwe TikTok ma mi bi eni bra brena Christopher ye ka cha mo kwasiafo ne nkraba adenyi na bi so asom na kramofo ma kra
yes papa na se mo kan to aso oye ndisi ni my panyere oye ndisi communicator na se mo kan say ye kan nipa o mo de atemudie ba Ghana maimu Ghana politics ma eye ndisi ni Kevin Taylor so there is no way to say ye kwachi obi abra ye nche Kevin Taylor in fact enema we nu nyina nam so na be ma ndisi ahwere 2028 abano because ndisi for ni binom enye da call with what is going on enti anu mom na be push ndisi from the throne me kana ha some of them will not involve themselves to convince people to vote for them. I know so Chichemono you lose. And that's what is going to happen to the NDC 2028. Abusha Midin, Ene Ras Media GH. Midamunya say, Ene Mobre, Medin Chakesier, Emma Mame Vivian Kuma, and a Medin Chakesier, Emma Mame Ama Yako. Michacha Munina, Abusha, a prayer court Midumbesia, until we meet again. Adios.